Hello, Kutay. It's nice to be here. Yeah, I'd love to learn more about bluesign, what you do, why you started this company, and yeah.
Sure. Well, let's start from year 2000. Actually, let's go a little bit before then. bluesign started as a project in late 1990s. And the idea behind that was, how can we clean up the textile industry? And that project became a company, as we know today, bluesign Technologies, in year 2000. We're based in Switzerland. We have over 730 what we call system partners. And those system partners are chemical suppliers that make chemistry for the textile industry, textile manufacturers that make all the materials that we love and wear, and the brands that sell those, take those materials and then make them into beautiful clothing, as you've got on. We have close to 90 system partner brands that we work with. The proof of concept for bluesign started in the outdoor industry. Those were the first brands that came to bluesign to say, we know that we use a lot of toxic chemicals to make our garments. How can you help us? You guys are the experts in this. So we have a very strong base, among the brands, very strong base in the outdoor industry. But of course, we also work with the fashion brands. We've got, I can name names because the list is on our website. The Reformation in Los Angeles, maybe you know them. Everlane in San Francisco, Eileen Fisher in New York. So we also have got fashion brands that we work with, to help them understand what's happening in their supply chain, to help them reduce the impacts, and to work with the chemical suppliers and textile manufacturers for a cleaner, a safer industry for everybody, for the environment, for the workers making those materials, and at the end of the day, for the consumers, for you and me.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Great explanation. Well, so do you focus on chemicals, or is it like a more holistic, like sort of certification for fashion? Do you look at the whole supply chain, or is there specific areas that you focus on?
Well, we look at the entire textile value chain. So we start with the chemicals, because chemical suppliers, because that's where the chemistry comes from. We've been working with over 200 chemical suppliers to understand what they produce. So we assess the chemical products, but we also assess how chemicals are produced. So at the end of the day, then that product can be bluesign certified chemical product. But we also work with the textile manufacturers, because that's where the chemistry goes. So that's what gives the purple color to your hat, for example, right? So we work with the textile manufacturers to understand how they're making these materials, and what kind of chemistry are they using? Are they using safe chemistry? And then help them produce bluesign approved, bluesign certified safe chemicals. And then where do those materials go? They go to the brands to make these beautiful clothes. We work with them to do a brand assessment, gap analysis, understand their supply chain, and help them use safe materials, bluesign certified, bluesign approved materials. So we really cover the entire textile value chain. If you think about it, for brands to understand what's going on with regards to chemistry in the garments that they make, it's difficult. Very difficult, because that's two other ends of the textile value chain. But if you're sourcing a bluesign approved fabric, you know that that fabric has only has bluesign approved chemistry in it, so it's safe chemistry, and that fabric is made at a system partner facility, which means that the manufacturer is meeting all of the strict bluesign criteria. So at the end of the day, then bluesign becomes a safe playing ground for the brand designers, because when they know that if they're sourcing bluesign approved materials, then their consumers are safe, environment is safe, workers are safe. So it's a safe playing ground. Then they can just focus on the design and the colors.